I only ever use two types of holsters. An inside the waistband holster, sidecar style, or a Safariland ALS. There's a problem though with this build, because this build is the only one with a calculated kinetics dog tag. And if you'll notice right there, that protrudes out in front of the Optic. That is very much an issue with the way Safariland makes these. All right, so this is the ALS 6390, I believe. As you can see right there and right there, I've been kind of holstering it in and out to see if I can get it to mark where it's kind of getting caught up. I can get it to lock in. However, it is not smooth. Like if I do this, that is not in. I am not hitting the button. It is not retaining it. I actually have to cam it over to the side a little bit and it will lock in that way. Now, I know it is that one spot because right here, that is a bit of the plastic and that is a bit of the plastic. So I actually think it needs to be dremeled out a bit more on the side, not on the dog tag, in the holster. And you can see that here too, because that is obviously much more noticeable than that. So I think this needs to be dremeled out a tiny bit. We might have to hit that, but we're gonna start here. Just the tiniest little cut. We're gonna start off a little slow. I did check to make sure I can actually reach this. We're gonna go in and hit that right there. Might be going too slow. I only have it on 10. Let's bump it up to 15, see if that works a bit. Oh yeah. All right, let's see if that did anything. All right. I actually think that by itself did it. Yep, that did it. Tiny little knock on it. There we go. And yes, if you were curious, tiny little light actually fits great in the X300 capable. Seems to fit now. Just need to clean all of the dustings out a little bit. Got some hanging out on there.